Hi friends, I'm Dr. Ryan here and welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If at all you have not subscribed to my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe and share among your contacts and friends. Dear friends, as you know that we are discussing the greatest psychological discoveries, and here the next discovery I'm discussing with you, there is a simple way to fight your own negativity and anxiety. Dear friends, before starting this or before discussing this, I request you to also watch my previous videos on anxiety and social anxiety, stress, and especially the series of videos on self-awareness, where you will also come to know why one need to really come out from negative thought and how you can really overcome the anxiety. So let us go through this slide. Negative obsessive thinking is a common part of many emotional and psychological problems. A new study by Nota and Coles 2014 offers an option to try if you would like to reduce your own negative thinking patterns. These researchers found a clear connection between going to bed late at night, inadequate sleep, and excessive negative thinking or worrying. More studies are planned, but in the meantime, it is sense to try this relatively easy to fix. Dear friends, before the implication, I just want to add one thing here. If it is possible, just take a piece of paper and just write down what are all the negative thoughts which are constantly irritating you. What are all the negative thoughts which are not allowing you to work in the proper way? Or what are all the negative thoughts which create a block for you or in your life? Dear friends, let me read this once again. Excessive negative thinking and worrying. So you should also know that, say for example, sometimes what happened, the positive thinking is always good. We don't have to worry about if I think optimistically or positively, but the alarm is when you think negatively or the negative thoughts are creating more problem. Dear friends, there is a line of connection in the sense, when you think negatively, your work becomes negative, your thinking becomes negative, you meet negative people, only negative things will happen to you, because usually what happened, you don't know where you should stop this negativity. Now the question is that if you write it in the piece of paper, the negative thoughts which always irritating you, the negative thoughts which is making you to stop, or the negative thoughts which are not allowing your work to continue, it is very important to note down that. And I also request you, if you feel that that is a friend with whom you can discuss this, please discuss with them. But more than that, the more important thing is that here, if at all you feel that you cannot discuss with the friend the negative thoughts, negative thinking, or negative blockings what you're undergoing, I request you to meet professionals. They will really help you to come out from this negativity. Dear friends, you should also know here, is this negativity is only a problem, or is there any associated problem? Because there might be issues of mental health, there might be issues of, as I said, anxiety, or there might be issues of excessive stress which you are not able to express. So dear friends, the request is that if you don't open up, if you don't share, or if you don't come out from your negativity, that will create more problem. Maybe this negativity may lead into major stress problem, this negativity may lead into major depressive episodes or major depression problems and all, or this negativity will block everything for you, maybe. And in future days, this negativity may also block your life. So that is why we need to fix this first. If at all we have to fix this, there are certain things which you have to really understand. Let us see what is the implication for this. Dear friends, I already told you, I am discussing with you the greatest psychological discoveries, and you can see the title here. There is a simple way to fight your own negativity and anxiety. So now we should know what are these simple ways that you can really find or fight your own negativity and anxiety. Let us discuss here. The implication should be like this. So different, you can see here, try going to bed earlier and work toward getting 8 hours of sleep per night, and see if it helps to reduce your negativity, anxiety driven thinking patterns. Dear friends, why 8 hours of sleep is very important, which will help you to calm down, which will help you to relax your mind, body, as well as your spirit, if you believe in that. And at the same time, this also helps your body to work. That helps your body to re-energize, rework. So, but dear friends, if at all you feel that you have a sleeping difficulties, and if you feel that you are not getting proper sleep, or you are not even sleeping at least 7 to 8 hours, 6 hours or 7 hours or 8 hours, you need to really think. And dear friends, here the important thing is that why you are not getting sleep. You're not getting sleep because is there any health condition? You're not getting sleep because there are a lot of thinking which is disturbing you, or you suddenly you wake up, these negative things comes again, and whether if these thinkings or these thoughts are not allowing you to sleep, dear friends, you need to take a call. You need to take a call to meet a professional, explain them, explain the pattern of your thinking, explain the negativity what you are facing and feeling. I think they will really guide you in a better way, or they may support you in a better way, or they may demonstrate you in a better way, so that you can really come out from the situation. Not very soon, but step by step, definitely you can come out from the situation, so that you can really lead a very healthy and satisfied life. Thank you.